Why does a maths book look so sad? Because it has got problems. I'm telling you, what is not a joke is this problem that I found here. It says 2 to the power of x squared over 4 to the power of x equals to 16. This can be rewritten as 2 to the power of x squared, then 4 to the power of x can be rewritten as 2 to the power of 2x, and 16 can be rewritten as 2 to the power of 4. So if I have something in the form of a over b, this is equals to a multiplied by b minus 1. So I'm going to apply that property here so that I have 2 to the power of x squared multiplied by 2 to the power of negative 2x equals to 2 to the power of 4. Solving this further, we see if I have a to the power of m, this is equals to a to the power of n. Therefore, that means m is equals to n. So I'm going to apply that property on this statement. So I'll have the exponents as x squared minus 2x minus 4, which is equals to 0. The problem wants us to determine the nature of the roots. So we're going to use the equation x equals to negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. From here, we see a is equals to 1, b is equals to negative 2, c is equals to negative 4. Now, we're going to put these values on this quadratic equation so that we have negative b, we have negative 2 into plus or minus 2 squared minus 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by negative 4 all over 2, which is equals to 2 plus or minus, this is 4 plus 4 times 4 is 16, so it's gonna be 16 all over 2. This is equals to 2 plus or minus the square root of 20 over 2. The square root of 20 can be rewritten as 2 plus or minus 2 root 5 over 2. So if you don't know how to arrive here, I suggest you watch one of my videos on complex numbers where we break down the square root sign, which then becomes 1 plus or minus the square root of 5. So this is 1 plus the square root of 5. So this root is real and rational. Or 1 minus the root of 5, and this one is real and rational as well. So those are my two solutions to this problem. If you have any questions, please let me know down there in the comment section. And thank you guys for watching. Please like the video and share it to your friends and classmates and see if they can make such a quick revision on this one. Have a nice day.